Hi, my viewers. I want to tell you something today. Goats usually eat grass to live, and dogs can never live by eating grass. If dog try to eat grass, it's gonna die. The same thing in life. One of the most dangerous things in fulfilling one's destiny is trying to compare yourself with others. Never compare yourself or measure your time with the time of somebody else. Run the race of your own purpose according to what God has given to you. You are not an empty person. God has loaded you with a certain purpose. Your destiny is different to somebody else. And in as much you can focus on your goal and you can do what God has destined for you to do with determination, you will get to where you are going. Never try to compete in destiny. Life and destiny is not competition. It is all about fulfilling your own God-given purpose. God bless you.